Hey everyone, welcome to beautiful Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. This is ben.vens with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and welcome aboard this 2019 GS22 by Nautique. This is a great boat for families that want to wakeboard, waterski, wakesurf. Heck, you could even do some great tubing in this boat. It runs like a race car. Feel free to leave us some comments down below or some questions, and if we get enough comments and likes, I will do another video and jump in this freezing cold water that's let's see, 50 degrees. Show you what a beautiful day on the lake it is. Nice view of the boat here. One great feature about Nautique is they add sea deck everywhere, so you can enter the boat without having to step on any upholstery. It's a great option. We got the nice seats back here for lounging while you're just coving out. Got the jail audio remote back here for changing your tunes while you're swimming. This boat comes equipped with the white interior, Mystic White. Stepping into the boat, you've got this nice wraparound seating. We have this cushion here removed so we can step in without stepping on any more upholstery. Nice option here is this seat that flips up, nice and easy, one hand. Now you've got relaxed stadium seating for all your water sports going on behind the boat. Plenty of cup holders, places to charge your phones, your GoPros, whatever you need, with subfloor ballast and sea deck lined compartments. Got your cooler here, nice trash can. On this side, we've got telescoping compartment there. You could slide your water ski in there. Underneath the passenger seat here, more sea deck. You got your sub back there. Here's that pad I was talking about. That just pops right in here when you need it. Got your lockable glove box here. Great place to store your phone. Sits right there. Nice little window to see there. You got your head unit for your stereo. And all your plugs, all your electronic plugins right here. All right, moving on from the passenger side, we've got the driver's side. Another great place to store your phone. Great little shelf here to throw your hat or keys or whatever you want. Nautique's race-inspired Helm seat here, super comfortable. Very ergonomic, great place to rest your elbow. Nice throttle here. Got your steering wheel that moves up and down, and of course the seat slides back and forth if need be, if you need a little more leg room. Awesome pan-array screen here with your rear camera, all your gauges. As you can see, it's 59 degrees with a water temp of 52. Also, what is unique about this seat is Nautique has strategically designed it so it's very comfortable to sit here and talk to your friends and family, see what's going on at the back of the boat. Since it's a little cool today, I have the wind dam in here. It's removable. Alright, moving up front here, we got plenty of seating up front. Got your nice stainless steel grab handles. Very comfortable seats, plenty of leg room. Got the nice JL speakers up here for music while we're up and running. I'll lift up this seat. We've got more storage up front, lined with sea deck. Moving to the back of the boat. Seat goes down just as easy as This particular GS22 is equipped with the JL Audio 8-inch tower speakers. We got a pair of those. Nice LED light for shining down at night. You've got your ski pylon that pops up nicely right here. Boom. Nice Nautique sea deck. This pylon's really easy. You don't have to figure out how to get it out of there and store it somewhere else. If we lift up the back compartments, you can see that this boat is optioned with the Pro Ballast option. It's for those families that want a little extra surf wake and wakeboard wake. Gives you extra 350 pounds per side. PCM 405 horsepower. ZR4 engine. Nice, easy to access. Check the engine oil here. And this boat comes equipped with the bimini with the surf pockets. Another great place to store your wakeboards, or surfboards I should say. Alright, let's go ahead and rock and roll. We'll fire it up. Go ahead and hit our user profiles and select Wakesurf. Go ahead and do left side. Put the boat in gear and take off. Ready to do some wakeboarding. Again, you hit your rider profile, scroll down to Wake Pro. Alright, and then when you're done for the day or you want to go water skiing, we can either click slalom ski or back to dock. Alright, let's fire this bad boy up and go for a test drive. Alright, so that concludes this great test drive slash walkthrough of this 2019 GS22 available here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. My information's down below. And please don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos like this one, or even give us ideas of what you want to see next. Thank you.